Hazard dropping down to 30s and 20s, so bundle up there. But sunshine coming our way.
Perfect. Danny, thank
You
you.
got it.
Okay, well, Dorm 511 is known as Veterans Dorm in North County Correctional Facility, and this unit helps incarcerated veterans receive treatment, counseling, and important information about their benefits. The goal is to help them successfully reintegrate back into the community once they've been released. Community journalist Ashley Mackey has the story about second chances in tonight's ABC 7 Salute.
A new program at the North County Correctional Facility aims to help incarcerated veterans. The LA Sheriff's Department, in partnership with the VA administration, have a goal to make sure no veteran leaves them without a plan to succeed when they get out.
It's a one-stop shop. They can come in here, talk to the veterans, find out who's eligible for what, and then ensure that when they are released from our custody, they're successful with that plan.
Through this program, veterans get help setting up their VA medical benefits, housing for when they're released, and are offered several programs to support them